Hey, just want to show you a quick video on how I fixed my Kaercher window washer. The LED was flashing rapidly and nothing basically happened when I pushed the button. It was fully charged, but nothing happened. So the trick that I did was just to disassemble it quickly like that, just pull up the tank. And what I figured was that the blower wheel, which is inside of this black part here, was seized. And to unseize it, the quickest way I found is to insert the tie wrap bent like so in the right hand side of this circular hole and try to bend it around the corner in there. And with the finger, push your finger to the right, and then push the whole tie wrap straight in. By doing that, you actually get in between the teeth of the wheel, and you're able to manually turn the wheel. Just one push like that fixed the issue for me.